How y'all doing? Welcome back to the Herbig Design Co workshop. Welcome back to another special build for the team at Carbotech. I'm excited on this one. The kids have been asking for it for almost 12 months now. Been dragging my feet, had so much other stuff going on, but I'm keen to get into it. We're knocking up these two awesome looking rustic old recycled timber planter boxes to go out in the garden. Kids want to get into some veggie gardening this spring, so now's the perfect chance to get these things built and ready to go. It's all made with H4 treated pine framework. I've used 95 by 45, so it's solid as all hell. And I've clad them in some recycled hardwood timber fence palings, just to give that rustic old look. And I know it's going to weather and it's going to last well. So let's jump straight into it. First things first, we're going to get it all cut up, and we'll get the pocket holes drilled, and we'll use pocket hole joinery to put this together so we can get it done in no time. So let's jump in and see how they come together. So there we go. We've got all our pieces cut, our pocket holes in our side rails and our front and back rails. The legs are sitting off onto the side. Now let's start to pull it all together and get the framework done up, and we'll get it done. I've got my hands on the blue coat Kreg screws for these because it's outdoors, because it's going to be planter boxes. I want to make sure that the screws are going to last, so I've made sure I got the outdoor based ones, and for me I've gone 64mm or 2.5 inch screws, and that's going to be enough to get through these big treated pine 2x4s. Let's get into it and get this thing knocked up. So there we have it, the first frame done. The pretty simple box frame, and the pocket holes make it come together so much quicker. What I'm going to do now is I'll whip up the next one, and then I'm also going to come back and I'm going to clad the outside with these recycled fence palings. The wind outside is blowing an absolute gale, but we'll jump in, we'll get this done and get it wrapped up. So there you have it. That's our planter boxes done. Like I said, I've cladded the outside with the old fence palings. They're recycled hardwood fence palings, so I know they're going to last a lifetime. I'm not going to bother finishing with anything, just going to let them age the way they want to age. Same with the treated pine. It's H4 treated pine, so it's going to be okay outside. It's going to survive. On the inside, they weigh a bucket load, but on the inside I've lined the bottom as well with more of the fence palings. What that's going to do is just help, obviously keep all the soil in. Garden bed's no good if the soil doesn't stay in. And again, they're going to last because they're recycled hardwood fence palings. It's going to survive. What I'll do is I'll probably come back, I'll line it with some weed matting just to help protect it a little bit more, maybe even make it look a little bit nicer. But for me, that's a sign off on this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay safe, keep building, and I'll catch you on the next one.